Good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with a new block, that is block 16, our soil resource. Okay, so the topic of our discussion for today is layers of soil. Aim for our class for today is students will be able to observe and name the different layers of soil. And the resources required for today is S1, exit content book and notebook. Alright, so let me ask you a question, okay? What is the fine material that we find on the ground on which the plants and grass is grown? How deep is this layer? What do you think is below this layer? Do you think it is the same from top to bottom? What is the soil made of? Okay, so see, the fine material is the soil. Okay, what is the fine materials that we found in the ground on which the plants and grass is grown? It is called the soil. Okay, the fine material is the soil. So it is a thin layer, all right, that is spread over the earth's surface, that is above the truss. Okay, so this layer is not the same from top to bottom, and they consist of many layers. Alright, so today we will learn what makes the soil. Alright, so in our class for today we will learn what makes the soil. Okay, so I want all of you to observe this picture. Alright, and now first of all, what you have to do is you please take out your textbook. Alright, you can take out your textbook, exit content book, and you can even observe from the textbook. Alright, you will find in page number 44. Okay, page number 44. Alright, you will find in page number 44. So now okay, now please observe this particular picture. Alright, layers of soil. So this is called layers of soil. Okay, this is layers of soil. So we have topsoil, subsoil, bedrocks. Alright, so these are known as layers of soil. Alright, this layer is called the topsoil, where plants grow. Alright, and this is called the subsoil, and the down one is called the bedrock. Alright, you can even go through this okay topic. Okay, layers of soil, types of soil. Alright, that is from your content book. Now what do you see in this pot? Okay, just imagine this is a pot. Okay, so what do you see in this pot? Are all the materials in the pot different or similar? Are they arranged in layers or are mixed up? How many layers can you identify? That is, from this picture, how many layers can you identify? Okay, and what do you see in this pot? Are all the materials in the pot different or similar? Okay, so we can see stones. Yes or no? We can see stones and soil in the pot. Okay, they are all different and they are arranged in layers. Okay, so there the three layers shown in the pot. There are three layers shown in the pot. Alright, the three layer called the top soil, subsoil, and bedrock. All right, so you see the three layer. Okay, there are three layers from the given picture. Okay, so now what do you see in the bottommost layer? What do you see in the bottommost layer means at the lowest layer. All right, at the bottom level. Yeah, what do you see in the second layer? And what do you see in the top layer? Okay, so from our discussion we have seen that there are three layers. Yes or no? Three layer. Okay, call there are three layer in the given picture, 1, 2 and 3. So what do you see? All right, in the bottom level, what do you see in the top level, and what do you see in the second layer? All right, what do they show or represent, and where do the plants grow? Is it in the first, second or third? All right, talking about this. Okay, number 1, the top. Number 2, subsoil. 3, bedrock. All right, so accordingly the question is asking, what do you see in the bottommost layer? Bottom means talking about the lowest point. Okay, and what do you see in the second layer? What do you see in the top layer, and what do they show or represent, and where do the plants grow? Okay, you will see that from here. Okay, there are stones in the bottom layer to represent bedrock. All right, there are stones in the bottom level to represent bedrocks. Okay, similarly in second layer is soil with less humus. So this is a soil with less humus. Okay, similarly the topmost, talking about this. Okay, the topmost layer has more humus, so it forms the topmost layer of the earth, and the plants they grow in this layer, that is the top soil. Right, so here the plants grow. Okay, as you can also see from the given picture. So now, all right, the hot question. Okay, the last question for today. So how is soil formed? So how do you think a soil is formed? How is it formed? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so listen carefully. Soil is formed, all right, by breaking down of the rocks known as the parent material. All right, how does a stone all right, soil is formed? Soil is formed by breaking down of the rocks particle. All right, take the example, this is a rock. All right, when it breaks down into small particles. Okay, that is how soil is formed. Okay, that is by breaking down. Okay, by breaking down of the rocks. All right, and they are known as the parent material. All right, and that is how a soil is formed. All right, that is by breaking down of the rocks. Okay, I hope now you are clear. Now things to do. All right, you have to complete your practice question number 2 and 3. What is soil? What are the different types layers of soil? What is soil? What are the different layers of soil? All right, and then you have to do your worksheet S1, layers of soil. Fill in an empty pot to show the arrangement of soil in different layer. Label each layer. All right, so you can color it. Okay, the layer, and then you have to name the layer. All right, you have to name the layer as well. Okay, so how is soil formed? Question number 2. What do you think that soil is similar in all places, and give reason? Do you think? Sorry, do you think that soil is similar in all the places? If yes, give reason. If no, give reason for your answer. Okay, so that is for our class for today. Thank you, take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.